Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to see you viewed your Threads on Threads app. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is just to open the Threads application and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, and then let's tap on one of our posts. Okay, so this one here, let's tap on this. And then when we tap on the like, we can be able to see the person who like these threads. So it means that this person have viewed your threads. Okay, now the second option is let's go back to the main page and then tap one of the posts from your feed. So for example, this one here, and then try to scroll down to see the comments. Okay, as you can see the different comments from the different users on threads. So it means that these users have viewed these threads posts on Threads app. Okay, so that's the two ways for now in order to see who viewed your threads. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.